Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube comments on YouTube desktop here. And you can do this on mobile if you just enable the mobile version. But let's reload this page. And then on the left side of the screen, we want to go over to history. So you can see history over here. Let's choose history. Then all the way over to the right, we have comments. And we can do the same thing for live chat too if we ever type in a comment for live chat. So this is going to be under comments. Now, this is our past comments on YouTube. We can go to the X right here and we can delete it. And it's actually really quick. So if you wanted to delete all your comments for some reason, you can delete them under here. But also look at your posts in live chats under here. You might have something on there you want to delete as well. And you can look at that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.